The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is really excited to present this 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch with 1,390 square feet, a 32 by 20 heated and cooled shop with electric, and an above-ground pool with a cement foundation. Let's catch up with Heather and take a look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Schaub behind the camera. It's just me and you today, John.
It is, but we can do it.
We are at this beautiful home here on Melanie Drive in Gassville, Arkansas. So you're about 10-15 minutes from Mountain Home.
This is a beautiful home, isn't it?
It is. I love this driveway. Plenty of parking if you needed to pull your camper up and load up, or your boat, your river boat. You're just right down from Cotter, which has the White River. And if you work on vehicles, there's a special surprise for you here in a little bit. New metal roof. And John, I'm excited to see this well-cut place.
I am too, but I'm just amazed at the size of that driveway.
I know. It really is a basketball court.
That's amazing. Well, Heather, you drive a Chevrolet?
Well, I drive a Ford, but...
No. We won't let you see it. No way.
We've got this covered front porch, and John, let's go inside.
Okay.
Well, hey, John.
Well, I hopped right around you.
You did. I like that you have this little entryway with a coat closet just right behind here.
Oh, wow.
Very convenient.
Yes, it is.
The floors are in great condition. You have a lot of natural light coming in from the double windows here, and this is a nice sized living room.
Well, it certainly is.
And it's all open to your kitchen and dining room areas. This is perfect for entertaining. It's nice and open to the living room. You've got a nice sized dining room table, and all of the appliances are staying, and everything is just neat and clean in here. You have a garbage disposal, dishwasher, your electric range, oven, microwave, and your refrigerator, all of them match. And you do have a little pantry, or this could be a little mudroom area, just right off of the kitchen and dining room area.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And it leads into a nice sized laundry room.
It's big, yeah.
And the washer and dryer are staying.
Okay, well, let's take a closer look at the net. It's top quality.
And you know, you could put some cabinets in here, some shelves to hold all of your belongings. Since we're on this side, we'll just check out the garage while we're in here. You have a nice sized 2-car garage with an exterior door. And just on the other side of that, there's a little storage area.
Right.
Well, John, are you ready to check out the bedrooms?
Let's go.
Not only do you have that front coat closet, but you also have another linen closet in the hallway. That's pretty deep.
I like these doors too. They're very nice doors.
And we'll come into the primary bedroom first. And once again, I like the double windows, letting in a lot of natural light. And you have new construction going on across the road.
Right, and these windows are nice windows. They've come out for cleaning, and this is a fairly new house, isn't it?
It is. It was built in 2007. And John, look, you have your walk-in closet here.
Big walk-in closet.
And your own bathroom with a tub shower combo.
Excellent.
Across the hall, you have what could be your 3rd bedroom or an office. This would be a great craft room. It has a closet and a window overlooking the backyard.
Good size closet.
It is. And John, there's more storage.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, check that out. This is perfect to hold all of your games or your decorations. And we'll go into the 2nd bedroom, which is a pretty good size, and another good size closet. And I like that all the flooring matches throughout the whole home too.
All easy to clean.
Yes. And a very cute guest bathroom with a tub shower combo as well.
All right.
Well, John, there's a surprise in the backyard. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
we'll just go off of the kitchen area, which I love this little patio area out here. John, are you enjoying the sunshine?
I am.
It is.
Very bright though.
We could start grilling here in a little bit.
Good.
Well, John, you have a fenced-in backyard.
Yes.
And the pool is staying, which is on a concrete foundation there.
But, I mean, that is a large above-ground pool.
It is. That's very nice. An added perk.
That's right.
And John, you have this outbuilding here with a garage. It has electric, and it's over 700 square feet.
Come on in, Heather. I've just got her fired up, ready to go.
John, I know. Have you been working out here?
Getting it ready.
Or have you been playing pool? Are you playing or working? Well, it is. You have a lot of light coming in. You have a garage door access. I mean, this is perfect for someone who likes to work on vehicles. John, you were saying it's insulated and...
Insulated and
check.
it's got a mini split in it.
It does.
Well,
I mean, I feel like that's all you need, right?
that's exactly right. For this 700 square feet, I'm sure it keeps it very comfortable here all year round.
That's right. You have your workbench over here. I mean, this is very roomy. I like that you have an attached garage so you can pull your vehicle in there, and then you have your shop that you can kind of play in or work in.
This shop adds some real value to this property.
It does. Come on out. We'll check out the beautiful yard again.
It's just a lovely neighborhood, isn't it?
It is. It's pretty quiet around here. You're on all city utilities.
And there's a fire hydrant right there. Low insurance. This house is vinyl.
You can definitely tell that the owner has really loved and cared for this home.
That's right. Okay, Heather, well, looks like you're converted to a Chevy gal, huh?
I may be. Well, John, did you like looking at this home? It was beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
It was. Well, if someone wants to find out more information about it, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to know more about this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch with a 32 by 20 heated and cooled shop and an above-ground pool, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on Google, Facebook, or YouTube.